First shot is good for jersey number 16. Basket again. This is score 32. 23. Yes, a 3. Yes, sir. Pasok na pasok yan para sa Samsung. Yes, a 3. No good. Rebound by Lawrence. Outside nga lang, idol. Pull-up jumper. Basket. (26-34). Number 9. By Palak. Jersey number 9. Uy. Outside. Oopsie. There's a foul. Guerrero setting on the play. Binigay sa corner. Gets that 3 by De La Rosa. Out of bounds. Lawrence. Pingol. Para. Wala. Uy. No offensive foul. Para nice defense by Pingol. Kitang-kita yun na ating mga official. Lawrence. Guy. Number 9. That's a foul. Foul out. Graduate. Jersey number 7. Back to the ball game. 34-28. Bola rito ng Samsung. Bad pass. Uy, good. Ay na, inahabol number 7. Uy, no good. Basket. The pass. Randel. Drive ni Yoyo. No good. Out of bounds. Guerrero setting on the screen. Guerrero. Pinasa loob. Fake. Kick out. Libre sa 3. In and out. Rebound may pala. Pass to Pingol. Lawrence, di diskarte. Crossover. Stop and pop. Using the board and score by Lawrence. Pingol. 36-30. Guerrero binigay sa elbow 3. No good. There's a foul by Lawrence Pingol. It's a ball blocking foul for Lawrence. The guy kay number 8, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Lawrence. Pingol. As number 38. Number 38. Kick out. Lima. Out of bounds. Same ball. Xiaomi basketball. Oh, sorry, that's Samsung. Lawrence, 4-3. Short. Rebound by Guerrero. Steal by Samsung. Ayan na, running shot. In and out. Pass to Guerrero. Guerrero binigay. Open man. De La Cruz. All the way. 38-30. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng Xiaomi. Lawrence Pingol. Dancing. Spin. Drive. Using the board. No good. Number 9. Too strong. Rebound by Guerrero. Oh, steal. Pass to Lawrence. Layup. Basket. Guerrero with the ball. Guerrero drive, not up the gun, steal by number 7. Pass to Lawrence. Oy, out of bounds. Same ball. Uy, ganda na pass naman yun. Wala pa rin. Binomba, kick out. Number 7, too strong. Rebound by Guerrero. Guerrero nagmamadali. Guerrero. Oh! Delikado yun. Basket count and 1 for Guerrero. And then that's a blocking foul for Samson. Bonus shot for Guerrero for a 3-point play. 40-32 ang ating talaan. Guerrero. Wala. Rebound. Makuha na this time ng Samsung. Outlet pass to Lawrence. Pingol. Pull up. Short. Rebound ng Xiaomi. Guerrero nagmamadali. Guerrero 3 against 3. Guerrero drive. Uy, wala. Rebound by number 9. But there's a foul. Number 8. Randall. Steering on. Nagay kay Lawrence. Bounce pass sa post. Kick out. Randall top of the key for 3. Short. Rebound by number 9. Pass to Lawrence. Fake drive. Layup. Miss. Rebound again by Lawrence. Lawrence and get the foul. Mati ka na. Lawrence Pingol on the free throw area. Jersey number 3 for Samson. There goes Lawrence. First shot is good. Isa na lang graduate na ang Xiaomi. Oh, another rebound. Pingol, too strong. Rebound ng Xiaomi. Outlet pass to number 8. Titira sa Tres. Yes, para sa Tres by jersey number 8 of Xiaomi. Balik sa 10 lamang ng Xiaomi. Number 38. Uy, bad pass. 3 against 2. Number 10, right, but there's the contact. May foul dito ng Samsung. On the free throw area, jersey number 10. Second shot, 2 for 2. 45-33. Ayan na. Randall cross. Randall Hesse. Randall drive and 1. may kasama pang foul for Randall. 35-45. Last 58 seconds. On a shot for Randall. Miss. Rebound by number 10. Ayan na ang Xiaomi. Nagmamadali. 3 against 2. Binigay. From the corner. 4-3. Tatamaan ng butiki. Outlet pass. 2 against 2. Lawrence all the way. Basket is good for Lawrence Pingol. Number 8. Pass to De La Cruz. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass Pingol. 2 against 2. Pingol up and under and score for Lawrence Pingol. 39-45. Drop pass. No good. Rebound by number 9. Outlet pass. Randall. Last 6 seconds. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Too strong. Isa pa. Oh! Nahabol pa ng Samsung, but this time namulikat na si Lawrence Pingol. What a buzzer beater for Samsung sa pagtatapos sa ating third period. 41-45. Naku, malaking bagay pa naman dito si Lawrence Pingol for Samsung. Tingnan natin ang adjustment ng Samsung kung mawawala si Lawrence dito sa fourth quarter. Malikat, boss. Alright, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter, let's go. Bola rito ng Samsung. Number 38, pass to number 9. Number 9, binigay. Number 7, fade away, no good. Rebound ng Xiaomi. Number 8, didiskarte. Crossover. Number 8, running shot, miss. Rebound ng Xiaomi pa rin. Ayun na, binigay kay number 28 for 3. No good. Rebound, number 7. Pinasa sa loob at tapos using the board and score. Ayan na, 47. Out of bounds. Samsung basketball. 47-41. Doon daw. Number 38. There's a foul. Number 7 for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Oopsie, bad pass. Number 38. Oh, there's a foul by De La Rosa. Get shot in the line, jersey number 9. That's Palak or Parak. First shot. Uy! In and out for Palak. Second shot for Palak. Miss. An offensive rebound for Xiaomi. Number 10. Nasa corner. Fake. De La Cruz. Dalawa ang mabantay for De La Cruz. Time out. point lead para sa Xiaomi. Okay, back to the ball game. Guerrero. Pass number 8. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Makuha ng Samsung. At that pass. Randall all the way. Basket is good. Ayan na. Humahabol na po ang Samsung. Barangay Samsung. Sorry, babagitin ko. Ayan na. Guerrero. Dribbling the ball. Another steal. Guerrero will recover. Binigay sa corner. Running shot. Block by Samsung. Uy! Ayan na! Randall. Uy! Bad pass. Steal by Guerrero. Guerrero nagmamadali, 3 against 1. Uy, walang tawa, Guerrero. Wala extra pass. Lawrence Miguel, nakabalik na rin sa laban. Lawrence, drive, no good. Rebound by Guerrero. Guerrero, binigay, number 8. There's a foul. The free throw area, number 7. First shot, miss. Second shot by number 7. In and out. Rebound by Palak. Uy, nagagawan. Makuha ni number 9. Here we go. Randall. Uy, sumabay ka pa. Sabi ni Randall. 49-45, down by 4. Number 8, number 7, hand up to number 8. Hindi ka na magawan. Ayan na. Oh, steal by Samsung. Ayan na. Pinasa kay Lawrence. Lawrence, akin na to. By Lawrence, Miguel. 49-47. Dalawa na lang. Ayan na, binigay sa kita. Spin, drive, gets the contact. May foul si Palak. That is 4th personal foul by Palak. First shot is good. Second shot. Wala, rebound. Oopsie. Bola rito ng Samsung substitution. Pinapahinga muna si Balak. Bola rito ng Samsung. 50-47. Randall setting on the play. Randall drive. Randall hook shot, miss, rebound. Lawrence fake, gets the contact. Walang tawag ang referee. 49-50. Down by 1. Guerrero binigay. Number 16 blocked by number 38. Ayan na. May magkakataon ng makabawi ang Samsung. Lawrence Miguel. Lawrence, he discards, stop and pump using the board and score by Lawrence Miguel. Balik sa ano na ang Kalamangan. Time out dito ang Xiaomi. Time remaining 3 minutes 58 seconds. Tignan natin ang handle dito ng Xiaomi. Ayan na, timeout. Tag-isang timeout daw po ang dalawang magkabilang panig. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Almost 4 minutes left sa ating laban. Guerrero with the ball. Guerrero di diskarte. Guerrero. Ayun na, cross. Change direction. Binigay. Number 0. Binigay sa corner. Fake. Pass to Guerrero. Guerrero. Pass to 8. Number 8. 7 seconds to shoot. 4-3. In and out. Rebound. Oh, bad pass. Nabitawan nga lang ng Samsung doon. Ayun na, binigay. Oy! Basket yan! Walang bantay. More easy. 2 points. No-look pa yun para sa Xiaomi. Balik sa kanilang kalamangan. Ayun na si Randall umatake. Gets the foul. 2 shots for Randall. That's jersey. Wala siya number. First shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 52. Second shot for Randall to set the lead. Uy, wala. Rebound ng Xiaomi. All 52. Binigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Too strong. Rebound. Guerrero with a reverse layup. Ay, kitang-kita yun ni Guerrero. Grabe ang timing ni Guerrero dito. Napaka-usay talaga. Ayun na. Side step. Big goal. Nakalusot pero wala ang kanyang tira. Outlet pass. Number 8. Libre all the way. Mali lang ang Pectus. Rebound ng Samsung. Number 7, nagmamadali, binigay. Flores gets the contact, may foul. Ayan na. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute and 57 seconds left para sa ating laban. Hindi kita lang ating laban. Ayan na. Babawi sa 3. In and out. Rebound. Guerrero, 1-on-1. Guerrero drive and score. Pingol using the contact. Wala ang tawag. Rebound ng Xiaomi. 3 against 2. 4 against 2. Number 13. Oh! Basket for Xiaomi. Ayun na, matake, binigay. Palak, miss, rebound, may palak. Palak drive, too strong, rebound. Palak, oy, block by Guerrero. Oy! What a move! Para sa Samsung. Guerrero, nagmamadali, binigay. Oy, nakabawi ang Xiaomi. Mababa pa yan, 51 seconds, 50. Flores, nabitawan, pass to Flores. Flores fake, Flores drive, nabitawan, another shot, and 1. Counted ba? Parang counted. Basket count and 1 by jersey number 39. Bonus shot for the 3-point play. Short. 56-60. Time out. Samsung. Back to the ball game. Last 41 seconds. Bola rito ng Xiaomi. Guerrero with the ball. Inuubos na lamang ang oras. De La Cruz gets that to reach. No good. Oy, wala. Rebound by Palak. Ay na, may pagkakataon. Ang Samsung ng mga bawi. Samsung gets the contact. And fouled by Guerrero. Penalty. Ayan na. Crucial free throw for Lawrence Pingol. Tingnan natin ang free throw dito ni Pingol. Lawrence. First shot. Miss. Ayan na. Second shot for Lawrence Pingol. May papasok ba? Wild yan na para kay Pingol. Down by 3. Ayan na, walang tawag. Foul, foul, foul. Uli. Oy, libre. Oh, pinabayan. Another steal na naman. But this time, inuubos na lamang ang oras. What a good game from both team. Our final score is 62-57. And congratulations para sa ating winning team, ang Xiaomi. And nice game para sa Samsung. Muli maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood. At magkita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Muli pinapabati po ang shoutout by our beloved Ma'am Ivy Yeng, the ICI Group, Mancom. Shoutout kala Ronald Chan, Alma Buentipo, Aubrey Estelier, Hani Carian, Cheryl Corato, Audrey Ang, Nes Garoy, Patricia Dolot, Liovel Sagigit, and kay Miss Hannah Kalimon. Hey! Down, bro! Pare, mantik na! Congrats!